Today I'm doing a low beam headlight on a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. So let's jump in. All right, we're gonna come down here, release the hood. We reach into the hood, go to the side, lift, and then make sure you're identifying the correct bulb to change. This is the high beam, closer to the center of the vehicle. This is your low beam right here. And then when we come in, follow that right to here. Here's our cap. We're gonna pop this off. So you turn, let's see, from this orientation, it's a little funky. It would be counterclockwise away from the engine this way to pop this seal off. And then let's go look inside here. And that's what we're going to be popping out today. Now, before you pop the bulb out, it's super important to always wear gloves or use a paper towel. If you touch the bulb, the grease on your hands will make the new bulb fail a lot quicker. So we are going to push the top of the bulb. It goes this way and this way. If you're standing in front of this, it would be counterclockwise, and it is firm. So you do have to get in there and push. Hopefully you can see where my thumb is. So this is a very, very firm fit, and so I just want to show you the direction that you're pushing. So I'm pushing with my thumb to the outside of the vehicle, which will pop out the bulb like so. I did have to push on it a little bit with this to get it broken free, but these two little connectors notch into the bulb holder. That's what powers it. This bulb is the H11B. So replace your bulb. Make sure that that guy is actually the issue. So if you pull it out and you see that spring in the middle there, that's blown. It's for sure a blown bulb. Now for this is just the tutorial. So this bulb is actually good to go. It's been replaced. This is an intact bulb. That coil in the middle there would be broken if it was a broken bulb. So I'm going to throw this guy back in, and when we put it, I'll orient it here so you can see. So when we took it out, we pushed it this way, and we would put it back in. You have to find the little notches and twist it this way and pop it into place. So you might have to feel around to find those notches. I'll show you where the starting position is right here. You can see that it's a little bit off, and then those leads are going to go into that. So I'm cocked over at about a 45-degree angle to find my little notches, and then it clicks in. And let me see if I get the click. There it is. It does take a fair bit of force. So yeah, you might need a little push rod just to get enough, because it hurts your thumbs if you don't. So that's what it looks like in. Then we take our little cap, we throw it on here, boom. So you can see how I did that. Find your little notches where it sits in, and then rotate clockwise. So we took everything off by rotating counterclockwise, the bulb and this little cap. This cap is super important. It keeps moisture out of the headlight, which will blow it faster if you don't have it. So make sure that's secure on there. And that is how you do a low beam headlight bulb on a Hyundai Santa Fe 2012. Thanks guys. If this was helpful, please give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.